In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp sticker not showing, not working or not loading problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then search for private DNS. Tap on private DNS. Again tap on private DNS. Now tap on private DNS provider hostname. Enter your DNS dot google.com. Then tap on save. Now tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now tap on GIF icon, sticker icon. I hope that this method fix WhatsApp sticker not showing, not working or not loading problem.